Hello everyone, Ben here from Upstate Iron, and today we're going to be looking at my Christmas present, which is this, a OKMO Fairbanks Morse engine, the Z01 model. I got this as a Christmas present. It is not a exact representation of my 6 horsepower Fairbanks Morse. It's actually based off of a slightly older model, but it's basically the same thing. It's a little tiny thing. So then, let's get this open. I have had it out of the box, just gotta look at it. There are videos out there of unboxings of these. This is my unboxing. There we go. There you go. Take it faster. Say never lift the engine by the flywheels, but I don't think an engine this light would matter. So, there it is. Hand for scale. Actually, here's a coffee cup for scale. It is tiny. It is tiny. Alright. I'm going to do everything I need to do, and then we'll try to start it. Alright, so I got it look gassed up. Been tinkering on it. I think it'll start up now. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. It was a little faster than my 6 horse, but I kind of expected that. For reasons I'm not going to get into right now, the size of the flywheels do contribute quite a bit to the speed at which the engine runs. The smaller the engine, the faster it likes to run. Look at it go. Little champ. Merry Christmas, everyone, huh?